Hello everyone, I'm Shraddha from How to Electronics. In this video, we will learn about the ultra-low power Bluetooth module from Reyax Technology. The Bluetooth is based on Texas Instrument chip and called Reyax RYB080I BLE Chip. We will go through the features of this Bluetooth module and compare with other classic Bluetooth module. We will see its specifications and learn about power consumption. Then, we will make a few projects using this project. At first, we will make a Smart Pulse Oximeter project and measure our blood oxygen and heart rate. The BPM and SpO2 value will be displayed on Android app. Likewise, in the second example, we will send the DHT11 Humidity Temperature Data to Android application wirelessly. This will be like a weather station. And finally, in the third example project, we will control multiple LED by sending some commands from Android application. So there is a lot to know and a lot to discuss this project. So without getting any delay, let's get started. Welcome back again. This is an RYB080I Bluetooth 4.2 and 5.0 low energy module. The module is very small in size and powerful enough to add wireless connectivity to your project. This BLE module is based on Texas Instrument CC2640R2F ARM Cortex-M3 industry standard chip. The ultra-low power BLE module can be used in projects where the size and power matters a lot. While comparing the size of this RYB080I Bluetooth module with a classic Bluetooth module like SC05 or SC06, you will learn the size is lesser than half. Of course, all of them are UART module and work on 80 commands. There are 5 pins on this BLE module. They are VDD, which needs a 3.3 volt power supply. Then it has pins like TX and RX for UART communication. It has a reset pin for resetting the module. And finally as the anti-ground pin. Hence, to operate this module, we need low power controller and its UART pins are only compatible with 3.3 volt. So we cannot connect the module to the 5 volt digital UART pin of the microcontroller. You can power this module using a coin cell or any lithium-ion battery. Now let's see some of the important parameters from the datasets. Bluetooth Low Energy Module version 4.2 and 5. It gives responses when you directly send 80 commands through any serial terminal. This Bluetooth module can be directly connected to smartphone or any other kind of Bluetooth devices. I already explained about its BLE version. The BLE chip is developed by Texas Instrument and named CC2640R2F and belongs to ARM Cortex-M3 standard family. The best thing about this module is that you can connect two Bluetooth devices at the same time that may act as a master or as a slave. It supports the host-client role and it is covered with metal externally to prevent EMI interference. You can put the device to sleep mode and make it wake up by using only 2 UART pins. For the operation, 80 command is required and using the generic attribute profile, you can create smart Bluetooth devices. The Reyax Bluetooth module has a wide range of applications including use in modern Android smartphone and tablet. Apart from the mobile application, it can be used for smart home devices, remote monitoring and control, and also for indoor smart positioning. To use it, you need a few certifications that need to be approved. The module operates between 1.8 volt to 3.8 volt maximum. The output ranges from -21 to +5 dBm. The active current is around 1.5 mA in broadcasting mode. In broadcast mode, the average advertising current is around 0.2 mA. You can go through the dataset to learn more about the advertising current. Similarly, the standby current is only 2 microampere and takes 2 milliseconds to wake up from sleep mode. You can choose the baud rate either 9600 or 115,200. The radio frequency is around 2.4 GHz, normally 2483.5 MHz. It can work up to 100K array cycles, and the module has an embedded ceramic antenna on it. Now let's see some of the example projects using this module. The first one is Smart Pulse Oximeter project. So here is the circuit diagram. We are using MAX30100 pulse oximeter sensor and an OLED display. Both are the I2C module. Similarly, the Bluetooth module RYB080I is powered with 3.3 volt supply. The UART pin is converted to a 3.3 volt logic level using 3.3 volt voltage divider network. The code for the pulse oximeter is given here. You can get the link to the code from the website article, and this requires some library too. Now, here is the assembly on breadboard. The Arduino Nano board along with OLED display, MX30100 sensor and Bluetooth module is connected as per the circuit diagram. As explained about logic level conversion, two registers are already there. The MX30100 pulse oximeter sensor measures the blood oxygen and heart rate in BPM and transmits to Android application through Reyax Bluetooth module. So after uploading the code, the OLED display will start displaying the BPM and SpO2 value. Now turn on the Bluetooth on your mobile phone. So here you can see the Reyax Bluetooth displaying on phone. To control the BLE module, you need the Reyax BLE URT application installed on your phone. So after installation, click on connect. And from the list, select the Reyax BLE module. The Android app will connect to the Reyax Bluetooth quickly and start displaying the BPM and SpO2 value. Right now, it's displaying 0. Placing the finger on MX30100 sensor, the BPM and oxygen percent get displayed. So you can see in the Android app, the oxygen percent around 96 and heart BPM almost 100. Thus, you can use this Bluetooth module in health monitoring devices, such as Smart Pulse Oximeter project. Isn't that great? Now let's do another project. It's about monitoring the sensor data on smartphone through Bluetooth. So for this, I have taken DHT11 Humidity and Temperature Sensor as a reference. The Bluetooth connection is still the same, but DHT11 is added to the circuit. Here is the code for this project. Using the DHT11 Arduino library, we are retrieving the humidity and temperature data from the sensor. You can copy this code and upload it to the Arduino Nano board. So here is our device again assembled on a breadboard. The same Bluetooth module connected to UART pin and DHT11 sensor connected to D2 of Arduino. Now again connect the Android app to the Reyax Bluetooth module. So after the mobile phone is connected to Reyax Bluetooth, the temperature and humidity data have started retrieving. The humidity and temperature of my room are shown here. This is how you can make a simple weather station project and monitor it wirelessly on your smartphone. Now let's see the third example. In this example, we will control 3 different LED by sending some command from our mobile phone. So here is the connection diagram for the project. You can follow the circuit. Similarly, the code is here and we are assigning the string to each LED. Each string will either turn on or turn off the LED. For example, sending A, B and C will turn on 3 different LEDs and sending X will turn off all the LEDs. So here is the circuit assembly on breadboard. All the LEDs are powered through 3.3 volt pin and connected to digital output pin for ground connection. Now again connect the Android app to Reyax Bluetooth. After wireless connection, send the A, B, C or X command so you can turn on or off the LED. In a similar way, you can do some other projects using this module. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.